first thing that you do is obviously you have to download the Logmein free client from logmein.com.
Yeah.
You install it on your remote PC. Very easy install. There's no IP address required. There's no messing with your router or firewalls. We're using standard ports, and it's encrypted, and it just works. Next thing you would do is you would go to the Android market and download Logmein Ignition. It's currently at $29.99 US dollars. One-time purchase only. What we're showcasing here at the Android booth is the work we've done specific to the Honeycomb tablet. We're taking advantage of some of the new design elements. And there we go. So as you can see, after you log in, it'll list the computers that are online and available for your use. I'm going to go ahead and click on Android Scan, which is our Android booth right here. And it's retrieving information from our data center and making the connection. Actually, let me go back for 1 second here. As you can see, it pops up the remote screen. You can see back and forth that we're actually looking at the screen here. What we've implemented for the Honeycomb specific is what we're calling direct mode. As you can see, there's a virtual mouse on the screen. You can move the cursor in one of two ways, and I'll zoom in real quick so you can see better. I can click and drag the mouse as it's a regular mouse, and the cursor is moving. Or I can click a specific spot on the screen, and the cursor will move there. If I want to open up something, I will move it to there, and I'll double click on there's a left and right mouse button, and you can see I open up the application. It really is having the PC in the palm of your hand. I can then, if I need to, I can open up a keyboard, and I can edit the Word document. I can say hello from MWC, and it's all set. And you can see it types it on the screen. A couple other features that we've done specifically to Android is we're using their drop-down box. So again, in the previous versions of Logmein, when you would click on this, it would open up its own screen, and you would have to look and just touch things from there. Here, it's all within the nice user elements that Google is providing. You can do things like blank your screen. If you're in a corporate environment, lock the keyboard if you don't want your children messing with your computer when you're on it. One last thing I'd like to show, so this is the remote control session. A couple more user elements, user interface elements that we've implemented is back in the other screen, so let me back out of the remote control session. I'm retrieving my computer list. We back out one more time here. We'll relaunch this real quick and log in, and I want to show you one more user interface that we've done, one additional design element. So what you see up here is called an action bar. This is new to Android, so we've taken advantage of the new user elements of that. You can search for your computers. Oops. Sorry, Wi-Fi problems again. So as you can see, we've got a search. So if you've got multiple computers, such as 100 computers, which many of our customers do, you can click on search and it would search there for you. You can also take advantage of, let me exit out of the search, something called Android fragments. So when I click on information, we actually have an animation, and we're providing all this again in one screen. So we're really trying to take advantage of the screen real estate and all the different design elements that Android is pulling in. A couple other things that we can do. It takes a little while to showcase, but notifications. And so we're going to build in a notification, or our notification has been built in. Say I want to come home and I want to be in my browser. If Logmein is not run, if we're idle for too long, you'll actually get a notification status down here letting you know that your session might time out. So again, we're trying to take advantage of all the new interfaces that are unique to Android.
Fantastic.
All right.